Ciao everyone! In today's video we're gonna discover how to make insalata di riso. Insalata di riso in Italian means rice salad. It's the quintessential summer comfort food. It's a dish that's really great for batch cooking, and it's not one of these dishes you will find at any restaurants. It's a very versatile cold dish basically made with rice, a bunch of pickled foods. Some people like to make insalata di riso with extra virgin olive oil. Other people, like my grandmother, used to make it with mayonnaise. Insalata di riso is such a staple in pop culture in Italy that companies sell con di riso, a jar made with all that you need pre-made to make your insalata di riso. So when I moved to the United States, I found something very similar to the con di riso that we have in Italy at Trader Joe. It's called cracked olive salad. This dish is very dear to me. I used to enjoy it a lot when my grandmother used to make it for me. And so today I'm going to share with you my grandmother recipe, but also with a little bit of twist that I made myself. In the original Italian recipe, you use parboiled rice. It's kind of like pre-cooked, and so it stays separated, it doesn't overcook. I've been exposed to a lot of Asian food and that I love, and my rice is steamed jasmine rice. Let me know if you want me to make a video on how to steam the rice. Another note about the rice has to not be cooled off under water right away. Just let it cool off by itself. We already prepared all my ingredients here. Let's go to the assembly part. So these are the peas. Then I add corn. This is the Trader Joe olive mix. The cornichon, which I adore. Nice cornichon. Tomato, capers, and sauerkraut. Once you're done with the chopping, the assembly itself is very easy. This is hot dogs and shallots, artichokes. We start mixing up a little bit. You don't necessarily have to go with my quantities, just go by eye for this recipe. As I like to say, have fun in the kitchen. Once I'm done mixing really well my insalata di riso, I put the mayonnaise. My last step is to cut the eggs and put them on top, so they kind of look like they're garnish, but they're not. We let it refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Et voila! Let's taste it. I mean, it's crunchy. The rice came out perfect. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you to the next video.